Joe Avers, Senior Vice President of Business Development at Harte, as well as the General Manager of our Fort Worth Fulfillment Center. Harte is a publicly held company. We're an omni-channel marketing service company. We're involved in email marketing, digital, social, as well as direct mail and fulfillment. We have presses. We go all the way from a web press in our Baltimore facility that runs close to 1,000 feet a minute, as well as cut sheet presses. We use both Xerox iGen equipment as well as Hewlett Packard Indigo equipment. In this particular facility, we have a HP Indigo. We have various Duplo equipment here. Our first piece of equipment is the DC 645 integrated folding system, the IFS system. Our customers don't have just one particular format. We need to be able to fold, we need to be able to crease, we need to be able to score. And what we liked about this is if we needed to do dynamic perfing, we could do that by just putting in a slot into the DC 645. Here are some of the applications that we've done already with this equipment. This particular piece, just a table tent, we're able to fold it and crease it. Here's a mailer where we needed to put in a perf, and we were able to do that all in line with our DC 645. Also use it to cut various different sizes. It's programmable by job. This particular one is a 4-up postcard. We run these on a weekly basis. It's really easy for our operator to run that. And then here's another one where we have a much smaller, you can see that we're running this almost business card size. So we run that in and it does the cutting. So it goes from business card size up to a 8.5 by 11 cut. We also have the 350 digital book making system. This is something that we were outsourcing in the past. Now that we've gone to our clients, we've been able to increase the volume, keep it in-house, and also bring in some applications that they didn't look to us to do. Here's one example for one of our clients. We were actually able to print all of the pages inside of our print room, and then we were able to fold them, crease it, and then do the booklet and trim it out and do this at a high quality that was far superior to what we were doing. Another piece of equipment that we got from Duplo was our Ultra 200A UV coating system. What was appealing about this is that we needed something that we could UV on both sides. We also needed different types of UV. We needed what we consider to be just a regular UV as well as a matte. And that's what we did for this particular customer, is that we put a matte finish. Customer loved it, still protected it, so when it got to the end consumer, it was a very high branded piece that met our customers' expectations. One of the reasons that we chose Duplo is we needed something that was more robust than just a desktop system. We didn't have the volume of running millions and millions of pieces through this particular fulfillment center. So when we focused on Duplo, we needed something that was very easy for our staff to be able to use and implement. We don't have a mechanic on staff, so we needed something that we felt would be reliable, that would work in the various different jobs and formats that we have for our customers. You know, the thing that's exciting is we were able to put this same Duplo installation in both here in our Dallas-Fort Worth facility as we did in Ontario, California. The consistency across multiple facilities certainly helped as we started to do distributed print across the country. We've been able to bring in jobs that we outsourced before. Our revenues have come up. We're actually bidding on jobs that we never would have had an opportunity to bid on or be able to obtain. And here at Harte, that's how we use our Duplo.